going approximately 80 to 90 miles an hour, oncoming traffic. Somebody get to the van, please. Can I copy? Stab the other man.
There's got him now, 50 years, heavy set, short, almost black, full hair.
He's wearing a gray shirt. 20 on the street code, evening, Wilford, and
Shots fired, shots fired, shots fired. Rifle! Get your rifle! Let me know when you're up! Takagi, suppress! He's in the car! Hey, we need MCG shut down. We're shooting in that direction.
Need to block off this road. Shots fired. I don't know if he's still in that vehicle. Hey, Knight.
All right.
We got a subject down on the passenger side. He's under there, like right next to the car.
Roll down your window.
Let me see your hands! Keep your hands up! Do you understand? Got a shield, Sarge? Get a Sarge. Get a shield. We're good. Breathe, brother. We're good.
I'm good.
We're good. We're good. Go! Turn around! Turn around! Ready?
Yep.
Yeah. Move.
Sarge, put your gun away. I got you.
Takagi, get behind us! Takagi!
Come on!
Us with handcuffs.
One voice. One voice.
Keep your hands up, sir. Keep your hands up. Watch that car, Donnie.
I got it.
Watch that car.
I got it.
Do not move. I will shoot you. Do you understand me? Do not move. I'm gonna plant the shield on. Ready? I got a snap one.
I got it. I got it.
Are you shot at all? Yeah. Where? Okay. Okay.
Watch out, get off the shield, get off the shield.
Where are you shot? Where's the gun at?
It's in my car. It's in my car.
Where were you shot?
I don't know. I've been stabbed by my roommate. I've been stabbed by my roommate.
Yeah, like, listen to this. You shot at us. I'm trying to figure out where you got shot. Come over.
13, we are code 443. Where's he bleeding from?
His arm, he said he got stabbed. No, I'm not seeing bullet wounds yet.
Why they attacked my roommate because he stabbed me.
That doesn't mean you shoot at us.
We're good. We're good.
Yeah.
We're good. We're past that.
Okay.
Where are you feeling pain at?
My left arm.